Thank you, Chair. Chair, we need to remind people that we are a sovereign country and our sovereignty must mean complete independence. Any country that gives us aid must supplement our own initiatives as a country. We must never allow aid to be used to undermine our national interest. The halting of aid by the US is in response to us addressing historical injustices of land dispossession, which is widely recognized. Therefore, it is clear aid is not really about genuinely helping a country. It is about managing a country to govern itself in a manner that serves the imperialists. We should never allow our sovereignty and national interest to be undermined by those who give us aid. Those who give us aid want the status quo of inequality, poverty, landlessness, unemployment, and all the evils of apartheid to remain unchanged. We need to close ranks and unite and pursue total transformation of our country. We can't be dictated by other countries on how we must correct our domestic problems that emanate from the over 400 years of colonization and apartheid. We are in this position of aid being used to manage us because we don't own the land, the natural resources, and the economy of our country. We are still conquered even though we got democracy in 1994. What we must do now is to leverage our mineral resources instead of begging for validation and money from the US. Why are we even needing aid, yet we are rich in mineral resources? Why is the mineral wealth of our country not owned by the state on behalf of the people? Why is the wealth of our country owned by the Americans, the British, and the Europeans? Yet in the communities, when the minerals are mined, there is poverty and disease. We must be a generation that corrects this. The mineral wealth of the country must be owned by South Africans so that we never need aid from anyone. But make no mistake, this is just the beginning. Today it is aid. Tomorrow Trump will move against trade. We must be prepared because the US wants to keep South Africa and Africa in a position of economic submission where our prosperity is always tied to their approval. We cannot allow this. We must aggressively expand our trade relationships beyond the US market. The African continent presents immense opportunities. The BRICS alliance is open for business. Why should we continue to rely on those who see us as nothing than a pawn in their global chess games? Lastly, Chair, if the country was serious, AfriForum and Solidarity would have been long charged with treason. GNU Niwasabani, amabhunu.
Honourable Member, your time has now expired. Thank you. The next speaker is the Honourable Abrams.